I'm Money with Mark, and this is Koho. I've been using Koho for 5 years now, and so I figure it's about time that I give it a review so that you know if Koho is the right choice for you. Now, I value your time, so let's get right into it. Koho is an alternative solution to your everyday bank, and they come with beautiful cards like these ones. Koho is built by Canadians for Canadians that are fed up with the big banks, and I would be in that category. It's really easy to sign up. Their app is super simple and straightforward to use. You can fund your account through e-transfer or direct deposit through an employer. They make it super simple to save money by using their goals or their roundup features. You can lock money away in what they call the vault, and you can earn interest on all of the money that you hold within Koho. The best part is that there's zero fees. There's no fees. There's no fee every month. There's no fee to get a card. The cards are free. They just come in the mail. And you earn cash back on all the things that you purchase with your Koho card. Plus, right off the bat, they give you 2 cards. They give you a physical card and a virtual card. And if you're a degenerate that doesn't know how to adult like me and you lose your cards all the time, you can easily lock your card by just going into the app. There's also no credit check when you sign up with Koho because it is a prepaid card, not a credit card. So you only have available to spend whatever amount of money you have in your account. And if you want a little kickstart to your account, if you use the link down below, I think you get an extra like 20 bucks and it sends me a couple bucks too. So win-win. As a Money with Mark listener, you know that the #1 rule of personal finance is to always take free money. So use the link down below, get your free money. Koho also makes it really easy to pay bills, send e-transfers to friends, and even create a joint account with your partner. And you both get joint cards to go along with that. You can also add savings goals in your joint card so you can save up for a trip to Hawaii with your partner. Plus, you earn at least 0.5% cash back, and you can earn up to 6% cash back if you spend with some of Koho's partners, like Booking.com for that vacation in Hawaii. Which makes me wonder, if Koho can provide all of this for free, why do the big banks have to charge monthly fees for our cards, and overdraft fees, and yearly fees, and new card fees, and all of these other fees? Well, guys, listen, houses in the Muskokas are not cheap, and private jets to the Hamptons, gasoline prices are going up. This costs money. How are the banking executives gonna do this stuff if they're not charging you exorbitant amount of money? If Koho is doing this all for free, how does Koho make money? Visa and MasterCard make a small percentage of every single transaction. Koho partners with them in order to produce their cards, and Visa and MasterCard will send Koho a cut of all of those purchases. And that's charged to businesses, not you and me. Koho has a credit building feature where you will pay $7 a month for 6 months, and Koho will improve your credit history, which can improve your credit score. If you want to learn more about their credit building feature, I have a video that you can watch up in this corner here, and already the results are looking pretty promising. Plus, Koho also offers Koho Premium, where you can earn 2% cash back on all eating, dining, groceries, transportation, and gas. With Koho Premium, you waive the 1.5% foreign transaction fee, and you get better customer service. All right, that was a lot of pros. Time for the cons. Koho used to have a premium metal Visa card, which, call me vain, I really liked it. I got a lot of compliments on it, and they have discontinued it. From what I've heard, there's no plans to bring back the cool, flashy metal card. Speaking of prepaid Visa cards, there's a couple downsides to using prepaid cards. Now, in most cases, you're gonna be fine. But especially when you're traveling, there's a lot of hotels and car rental places that will not accept prepaid cards. And that's an important thing to know. Now, you can get around this by using some of Koho's partners like Booking.com. So for myself, that's why I pair my Koho account with Neo Financial, which is also a new fintech company in Canada that just started up a year ago. They're from Calgary. And if you want to learn more about Neo Financial and their credit card, you can click up in this corner and watch the Neo Financial video. Another downside of Koho is that their customer support, it kind of sucks. I don't know if they're understaffed, but Koho did just secure a lot more funding. So I hope that they're gonna be putting that money into more customer support, because it does take a long time for people to get back to you. Now, I don't have the premium Koho card. You get to jump the line if you have a premium card. So if you do really want that customer support, I would probably try to go for the premium Koho card, and that way you can get customer support that's a lot more responsive to you. The last downside of Koho is probably their weird spending thing where you can technically have a negative spending in your account. I just find this weird. So you can like dip into your savings goals in order to like not, go in overdraft on your spending. It's just a weird thing in my opinion. I think it's kind of unnecessary. I'd like to see Koho come out with a feature where you can lock some of your savings goals. That way you don't dip into it, because seeing like a negative balance in your spending just is a weird thing mentally, and I just can't get over it. Overall though, I give Koho a 4.8 out of 5. It is an absolutely fantastic app, and this is the year that I will be unbanking from the big banks, and I will be officially using all new fintech Canadian companies, Koho being my main one. And since I last did my review on Koho 2 years ago, they've made significant improvements. So if the last 2 years is any indication of the future, Koho is going to be resolving a lot of issues that come up. For example, you used to not be able to accept e-transfers from other people. It had to be from your own bank account. They fixed that issue. You can accept e-transfers from anybody now. And if you want to get an extra 1% back on all of your purchases with Koho, use my link down in the description below here. Plus, if you want to try out their credit building, you can watch that video here, or you can also click my link down below to try it right away. And if you want to use their premium option, I think I have a link maybe that gives you a little bonus with premium if you want to sign up for premium. So use all those links in the description below this video. And if you've used Koho, what's your biggest pet peeve? Let me know in the comments here. I know that their CEO actually watches my videos. So Daniel, if you're watching, read the comments down below and see what your users have to say. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Oh, I just cracked my back. It feels good. What's next? Subscribe.